Hey there, thank you so much for clicking this video and joining me. I really appreciate it. Today I want to show you how to make your own loose highlighter and blush. It is really easy to do. It only takes a few ingredients in a few minutes. So yeah, let's just jump right on into it. I'm going to bring you in closer here and let's get started. So I'm going to start off by making the cosmetic base. This is a tablespoon of Midnight Clay and a tablespoon of arrowroot powder. And then I'm going to add a couple drops of lavender essential oil. You don't have to do that, but I do like the way it smells, and so I like to add it. It's totally up to you. And then just mix it all together. And then we're going to set that to the side and move on. Next up, I'm going to be mixing in the shades of mica powder. This one is actually just mica that we're going to be starting out with, and it's going to be 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then I'm going to be adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of the Stardust Pearl. I really love this color. It's also a beautiful eyeshadow. And then also 1/4 of a teaspoon of the Golden Guava. And then we're going to be mixing all of that together. Next up, I am going to be adding in 3/4 of a teaspoon of the cosmetic base. This cosmetic base helps it to apply more smoothly to the skin, and it also helps to absorb oils, so that way this will last longer throughout the day and just look better overall. So yeah, definitely don't skip this step. And next, just add it to whatever container you want to use, and you are good to go. You can definitely layer this if you want it to be bolder and more dramatic. You can also use a little bit of setting spray on your brush before you go into the pan to help it be a little bit more dramatic. If you want, it's totally up to you. So yeah, there's the highlighter, all done. I hope you liked it. And next up, I'm going to show you how to make the blush. So to start out, I'm going to be using 1/4 of a teaspoon of red strawberry, also from Stardust Micas. This is such a pretty shade. I like using it in lipsticks. And then also 1/4 of a teaspoon of pink watermelon. Pink watermelon makes a gorgeous eyeshadow shade. So just something to keep in mind. You can definitely use these for multiple things. And then next, I'm going to be adding in 3/4 of a teaspoon of the cosmetic base and then just mixing it up. And then there you go. Again, super easy to make. You can definitely play around with the colors to see if you want to add more or less of one, just depending on your skin tone and what color you want. That's one of the things I love about making them yourself, is you can really play around and get the exact color you want. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for making it all the way through this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any feedback, I'd love to know. And also just to let you know, I do have a few videos similar to this one showing you how to make your own liquid highlight, and then one showing you how to make a pressed highlight. So if you want something similar and enjoyed this one, I will link them down below and you can check those out. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.